everybody, Lincoln here, and today I'm going to do a firework review with these fireworks. First, we're gonna go off with the pyro mixer. Looks pretty cool. Next is the flash mountain. Oh, by the way, these are all exclusives. Butterfly and flowers, a diamond cutter, what if it shoots real diamonds? We have 2 June bugs, amazing fountain, jitterbugs, and a jade flower, another diamond cutter, a lightning flash, fireflies, and a pyro fan, and all of them is the stick I'm using. It's the one that used to light all of them on fire. You can use a different stick, I think, but you don't have to use the same exact stick. You can get one from a different set or something. Well, that's it for today. Bye!